Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at energy fuels, and it is another update, but we are still tracking this 1-2 setup in green, where we could head directly higher now in the white scenario. There is the yellow scenario in which we could top here in this area in a B wave and still head even lower in the C wave, but for now in the white scenario we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then we are looking within the third wave, the larger third wave, to the upside at another 1-2 setup. And here in this area it's a bit choppy, but maybe there's a series of other 1-2 setups, maybe some sort of a diagonal in this area before we started here actually in the shorter time frame. This third wave to the upside that I do expect to complete overall. And within this third wave I see so far a wave 1 complete, a wave 2 complete, a large third wave complete. The fourth wave, questionable. I could actually see it being reset by the new movement that we have had here today, but I still expect to see the fifth wave to the upside afterwards. So in the previous video I provided you this support zone, and I said that I would expect a fourth wave to reach it, to find support and reverse in a fifth wave to the upside, and so far we reached it, we found support, quite a strong reversal afterwards, but unfortunately I don't really see this as a 5-wave move. I can see it as an A, B, C, however, and this could actually be an overall A, B, C within the fourth wave. So I believe it is still a risk in this area that we may actually reset it in the fourth wave, and that is because in this count, in this movement to the upside, I see so far a wave 1 up here and a 2 down, and then I actually need this movement 1, 2, 3, sorry, one. Let's do that properly and even get closer here because I want to show you what I mean. But I see a 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then the fifth wave that would actually complete it. Now it is possible to really count it as a 5-wave move, but it's not the most convincing one, I will tell you that. Maybe in a diagonal pattern, but then this clearly looks like a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm just saying there is a slight risk that this is a B wave top and we are still heading lower in the C wave. I will provide you a provisionary support zone for the idea that, okay, this may be a 1-2 setup, and I will even provide you the count here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let me adjust that. But I will make it in a different color because it is not 100% that this plays out, and then I will make this a wave 2 and also use a different color. So okay, as long as we stay between $9.40 down to around $8.60, this is the support zone for such a wave 2. But overall I still see a risk that we head lower in the C wave and reset this wave 4. There is still room in the support zone in white down to $8, so I still expect upside afterwards, but for now there is some risk. I just wanted to point that out. This blue scenario, this blue zone, is also a decent entry. Most of it is within the white support zone after all. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.